Hey, it's Travis Steerwall with Air Power Live, coming to you live from the Air Power Finishing Lab in High Point, North Carolina. I have a guest with me today, Nick Dees. How are you, Nick?
I'm great, you?
Good deal.
Good.
Doing very good, thank you. I have some pretty cool technology in front of me. We just did a video on the manual Stellair gun, which is this one here. This is an aluminum body manual Stellair gun. Today, we're going to talk about this, the ACE version of the Stellair family of Stellair guns. This is a composite that is so lightweight. I'm guessing about half the weight of this.
Correct.
Okay. Super light. I mean, I'm talking, I have no stress on my pinky whatsoever. This is so light. Anyway, let's talk about this gun. I want you to go through some of the features of this gun and why it's different than this one.
Absolutely. So we'll start with ACE, all-star carbon fiber ergonomics. And when they redesigned this gun, we really hit every one of those points. So we kept all of the same ergonomics that we had from the manual Stellair, from the finger rest to the trigger guard to the lightweight pull and the other 27 points that we talked about. But the biggest thing here, it's a completely toolless serviceability gun.
You don't, no wrenching?
Not a single one.
All right.
And I'm going to talk you through and show you how to do it. So what we're going to do first is take off the half-turn air cap. We're going to use our detent button to remove the trigger. The trigger is very important. You're going to see why here in a minute.
All right.
Now, we need to get this cartridge out. How do I do it? I've got a hex built into my trigger.
There you go.
This is my only tool. I can remove that.
That's pretty slick.
There's my service item.
That is pretty slick.
And when it's time to rebuild, I put my cartridge back in. I use my same hex. Don't have to overdo it. Just tighten down until it stops. Then I can use that same detent, reinstall my trigger, put your half-turn air cap back on, set your fan pattern. Now you might be asking yourself, the gun is great, but I'm still going to have bulky, heavy hoses.
Don't you need tools to connect these?
You don't. So we'll start with the fluid line. It's 100% swivel, completely toolless connection. So you can see we've got a bevel cut with an O-ring seal. And this is made simply for finger tight. No need for any tools. That's installed.
And that just moves completely.
It does. We do the same thing. Same thing with the air line. And you're ready.
That is fantastic. So both of these move, so it gives you some freedom when you're in your booth moving around. It's not tightening up and restricting your movements.
Correct.
All right, that's pretty cool. Hey, Nick, thank you for going through that gun with us.
Thank you.
If you want to look at this gun, all you have to do is call 1-800-334-1001 and ask for an account manager or somebody to be able to demo this gun for you in your facility or at our facility.